I am Harminder Singh and my age is 51. I am in service in one of the PSU and I have two children, a twin, both in 10th class, one daughter and one son. So they're going to appear in the coming 10th board. So in NTPC, I had a experience of almost a 25-year plus. 1 year back, I didn't know what is PSA. How I came to know is that कि एक हमारा जो PSU में एक कल्चर है कि हमारी अप्रेजल होता है. तो अप्रेजल will not be through unless you get your preventive health checkup. Fortunately, last year it was detected PSA level is on the higher side. So then doctor advised me to go for MRI with a PIRATE score. After getting that score, doctor told me to go for biopsy. In that report, the Gleason score came around 4+3. So doctor said overall, in a nutshell, the report is not good. So that time it came into picture that the prostate cancer was there. Spouse के साथ में I shared everything right from the day one. Parents कभी कभी पूछ लेते थे वो PSA लेवल का क्या हुआ, कहाँ दिखाया, कैसे कर रहे हो इसका. So I came to Medanta to take a second opinion from Dr. Puneet Ahluwalia. Actually मैं Dr. Puneet Ahluwalia को थोड़ा सा मैं कभी मिला तो नहीं था उनसे, लेकिन पहले मेरे फादर इन लॉ का एक ऑपरेशन किया था, ब्लैडर कैंसर हो गया था उनको, प्रोस्टेट से ही वो थोड़ा सा फैल गया था. एंड ही डिड माई काउंसलिंग एंड एक्सप्लेन मी एवरीथिंग इन एंड आउट्स ऑफ रेडिकल प्रोस्टेटोमी. Why radical prostatectomy? Because radical prostatectomy is done for those patients where the prostate cancer is limited to the only prostate. After surgery, on the surgery day, there is a little bit of pain, but the very next day, one of the boy from the hospital came and he lifted me up and told me to walk. मेरी सर्जरी 9th of December को हुई है और 9th of December से आज है 7th of January. So अभी एक महीना 30 days नहीं हुए हैं complete. I am on the 29th day. So I am in front of you, coming by car from my house and come this place by driving 2.5 hours driving. जब आपको हो गया है तो ये आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. There is no other way. That has to be. It will take time, but somehow you have to accept it and deal with it. This is something like if some problem comes in your office or house, you deal with it. The same way it comes to your body, you have to deal it with the positivity. Don't get depressed or leave everything on God. You have to do it. If you do it, God is with you.